Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Yon. God bless you. I love you.
Hello, tita. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. Sana marakal pang birthday, celebrate mo. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo, tita. Tsaka yung bakasyon mo kay Pinas. Yung kids medyo shy type la, tita. Nyaya ko na pa yung mag-greet kaya ka. Happy birthday, tita. I love you.
Hi, Che. Happy birthday to the best sister in the world. May you have many, many more birthdays to come and good health. I love you.
Hello, Tita. It's your day. It's your 60th birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your vacation. Nabiyabay tamo. Nakompleto tamo. Masaya mo. Lagi tamo masaya. Dakala salamat. Dakala salamat kayong suporta. Dakala salamat kayong gana. Kulang nga yung salitang salamat para pasalamatan daw. Ibigay mo ang chance ya po na ala kami kuno rin kami ngayon kami po na nung adi dahil kaya kayo dahala salamat ating kaming bapa dara na susuporta at sinuporta kaya kami dahala salamat. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come. At palagi tamo mong healthy at magayo. Dahala salamat. I love you. Best, tita. I love you. Tama palagi. Happy birthday, Granny. We love you.
Happy birthday, tita. Love you.
Hi Tita Yon, happy birthday ulit. Dakala salamat kay Ega na ng sakripisyo kaya kami. Sana ka magsawa. God bless palagi. Enjoy your day. I love you. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Granny. I love you.
Happy birthday, tita. Di na nakapasa ng makabang biyening apong Ginu. God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mami. Thank you king Ega na ganang saop mo kaya kami, lalo naging pamilyata mo. Bless kaming ikayong tita mi, ikayong laging sasaop kaya kami. Dakala salamat. Lagi ka sanang healthy. Yung paborin ni sarili mo. Welcome to the senior club. Stay pretty. I love you, Mami.
Happy birthday!
To the best, tita. Happy 60th birthday. I hope na mag-enjoy ka kay birthday mo and more blessings to come and imingat palagi. Love you so much, tita. Come on.
Happy birthday, Granny. Sana magkaroon kang maraming pera. Love you, Granny. Bye.
Happy birthday, tita. I love you.
Happy birthday, tita. No more Sona. We love you.
Happy birthday, tita. I love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Che. Oh, thank you kaya nga gana-ganang sasahap mo kaya kami, kaya rin pamilya mo, kaya rin kapatid ko, paunakan mo. Apo, kaya kami nga. Dakala salamat, Che. Lalo na yung sasahap mo nga kaya kami. Kaya kaya makasahap kaya ka, yung gagawin mo, bisa ka mong saya, yung kasabi mo kami mo, yung kapatid mo, maswelo na ka. Dakal salamat, yung gana-ganang bibigyan mong sahap kaya kami. Sana kasasawang sumawak, sana dating nga do, ikami naman yung makasahap kaya ka. Hope, sana. So, paano kataming nga kung gino, na kami rin, baliktad mi, kaya ka, yung gagawin mo kaya kami. Kung naano ita sasahap mo kaya kami, sana dating nga do, ikami naman yung makasahap kaya ka. Enjoy your day. I love you. Che. You're the best, sister. I love you very much. Oh, happy birthday, Mama Yol! We love you! Oh, yan ka sana sa asawang sasawap kaya kami. Apo kaya kami ng pamilya mo. Thank you very much. I love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Yola. The best tita in the world.
Enjoy your vacation, Tita Yola. Stay safe and healthy. We love you always.
Dakal pong dakal na salamat. King sakripisyo yu para kaya kami, tita. At kinugudyo kaya kami. Love, appreciated. Love you.
Happy birthday, Granny!
Happy birthday, Granny.
Love you!
I love you, bye.
Hello, tita. Happy birthday. Salamat. Nga pong Ginoo at celebrate tayong birthday mo na may abi-abi at amo. Katangan buong pamilya. At sana mas dakal pang birthday ing celebrate mo. And more birthday to comes to celebrate and good health always. Love you, tita. Ingat lagi, ganda. See you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Inang Yoli. I love you.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Hi Ate Yol, happy 60th birthday kaya ka. Sana mag-enjoy ka kining birthday mo ngayon ni at mag-enjoy ka ining pamagbakasyon mo kini. Dakala salamat kay binye mong saop kaya kami. Sana dinana ka pang malakas at malusog ka pangangatawan ning keng babo. At sana mimingat ka lagi. I love you very much.
Happy birthday, Granny!
Tita, happy birthday. Thank you kay binyan mo kaya kami, kaya pamilya mo. Dakala salamat. Wish ko mo sana marakal pa blessings lahat ng kaya ka. Ang pong maging healthy ka lagi. Bless na ka lalo ni Lord. Thank you, tita. Happy birthday.
Love you!
Love you.
Happy birthday, Granny.
Hello, good evening. Kaya kayo ng buong pamilya ko, Ken. I love you and I miss you all so much. She's happy 60th birthday kay Kat Kentol. More good health, more blessings, and more celebrate to come. I love you and I miss you. I'm so proud of you. You're the best sister in the world for me. Pasensya, nakakungi ako man may kahuli. Ngayon yung birthday mo. 60th birthday mo pa man din. Pasensya, nakapalo ko naman na balo yun naman ka na akong dahilan. At bakit di ako may kahuli. Palo ko maintindihan yung sitwasyon. I miss you all and I love you. Kaya kayong buong pamilya ko, Inang. I love you so much. Ingatan mo yung katawan mo, Inang. Mo papurin, pakapangan mo palagi. Kaya kayong ang pamilya ko, we miss you so much. Sana next time makahuli na ako. E na ako kakakain sa sabihan ko kasi masyado kong emotional, palo yun naman. Masyado kong maya na luha. Basta, kaya kayo ng pamilya ko, I love you all so much. And we miss you. Love you all. Bye-bye. Happy 60th birthday pa si Bayo, sis. Thank you so much for everything. I'm so proud of you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Granny!
Hi, Gats. Happy birthday, tita. Love you.
Tiola. Kumusta? Happy birthday. More birthday to come. And good health. And God bless. Love you. Enjoy your day. And enjoy your vacation. Bye.
Happy birthday, Yali! We love you! Happy birthday, Yoli. God bless you always.
Well, I just wanted to say happy birthday to you. Happy 60th. I'm being taken out right now for Father's Day. You know. And I just had lunch with our daughter. The greatest thing I ever gave you in your life. Say hi, Erica.
Okay. Hi.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday. Okay.
Okay, that'll do it.
Happy birthday, anak. Sana kung tumasimpan ka ng tubigan ni hanggang-hanggang. Sana kung tumasimpan kitang maganda kami pamilya. Salamat, happy birthday. I love you very much.
Happy birthday, anak. We love you.